What's up, guys? Ryan from RyanBabon.com here, coming to you from my house in Brooklyn, New York. I am your favorite internet marketing nurse, and yes, I do work full-time as a nurse and part-time with my home biz, right? So today I'm going to be going over 7 simple steps on how you can use attraction marketing to dominate in your business, right? So a brief explanation of what attraction marketing is, if you don't know what it is. Attraction marketing is a marketing strategy that attracts customers and clients to you who are looking for an opportunity or who are ready to buy something that you have to offer, right? So imagine having people coming to you every single day asking you about your business, about your products and your services, right? Imagine people flooding your Facebook Messenger inbox, asking you every day about your business or wanting to initiate conversation so they can know what you're into, right? So that builds a curiosity portion of that, right? So imagine one of having the benefit of not having to convince anybody to sign up, or not having to chase anybody, any friends or family, or even have to beg for the close or beg for the sale, not even have to do any more cold calling, buying leads, or being rejected online, or even rejected period. So step one of the 7 steps is that you want to brand yourself, okay? And you are going to be the one that's going to be the solution to their problems, right? So the first fundamental step of attraction marketing is really just branding yourself, right? People join people; they don't join companies. They're looking for the leadership. They're looking for people who's going to take them to the next level, right? So that's why you got to brand you, right? You got to step up, become the leader that they want to follow. All right. And the only thing that's unique about this is that it's you, right? It's not your product, it's not your service, not what you have to offer. It's branding you and how you can stand out of the crowd, right? So, and the only way for you to become recession proof is to create an ultimate financial security in your business, and that's by branding you. All right. So the 3 main reasons why you want to brand you and not your MLM company or your affiliate marketing company is people buy products from people, and people want to join people and not the company, right? So people want to do business with people who they know, like, and trust. If you become the leader in your prospects' eyes and they feel that you can get them, like I said, from to the next level or where they want to go, they're going to join you. You know what I'm saying? You're going to be the solution to their problem. So why would they not want to join you? You know what I'm saying? So be the solution to the problem, right? Be the leader that they want to follow. All right. So number 2 about branding you is, companies, they come and go all the time, but you're not going anywhere, right? You're here to stay because you're not giving up on this, right? So with that said, all business, especially network marketing companies, they come and go all the time. Like 90% of any business, period, whatever niche it is, they 90% of them, they don't last within the first year. They end up filing for bankruptcy or they end up shutting down, right? So, and being in the industry for some time now, for some years, I've seen a lot of stories about MLM companies, they're actually shutting down, being shut down, or they're trying to change the comp plans really fast, but it actually hurts the people that's in their company, and it leaves them struggling even more, trying to make the sales or trying to get more people to get into their downline, right? So, number 3, if you continue to brand the company, you're almost guaranteed that you're going to lose your customers, right? Because if you're branding the company, right, all over Facebook, all over social media, the percentage of your prospects is high if they're gonna when they Google, like, for instance, like, if you brand your company, right, and you have your big sign up or you have your big logo up, they can go to Google. Now, Google is not your best friend at this point, because what happens is when they Google your company, on the first page, what do you see? Right? You're gonna see a lot of negative things. You're gonna see scam. You're gonna see don't join this company. Right? You're gonna see stories. So that's a turnoff for them. Right? Another thing is, if they do Google it, they may find another leader to join and not you. All right? So it's you don't want to brand the company online. You want to stop doing it. You want to start branding yourself, right? And you know what? And branding doesn't really have to do with how much money you make or how much you've ever made. In fact, it just really has nothing to do anything about your product or service. It's about them, right? The people want to know what's in it for them, right? The people want to know, it's all about, the people that you're going to serve. You know what I'm saying? Like, the audience wants the answers to their questions. They want the answers to their pains. They want the answers to they want the solutions to their problems, right? So you got to be the leader, and you got to be the painkiller to their pains, right? And like I said, you don't have to worry about if you've never made money before. All you have to do is be the solution to the problem, right? And if you're currently in a network marketing company or an MLM, and you're doing this exact thing by branding your company, chances are you're branding the company, you're branding your business or your part of the company in the way they want to instead of the way you want to, right? So, I mean, if cold calling and hotel parties and home meetings and, talking to strangers and inviting them to your house, if that's something you like doing, by all means, and you're making money from it, go ahead, continue doing that. But for some other people, they're not going to want to do that, right? And that's where you start losing your customers, your clients, and your downline, because some of them don't want to be doing that. So the other option is to use attraction marketing by branding themselves, right? So you want to be universal in that way, right? So at this point, you're probably thinking, all right, you know what? You're okay, cool. Branding, branding you and attraction marketing, it makes a lot of sense, right? But how do you actually go about branding yourself and attracting people? Even if you haven't made any money, right? So on that note, tune into the next video where I'll be going over step 2, which is going to be defining your avatar, right? Defining your audience, right? Who are you going to speak to, right? And keep in mind that, you're only looking for people that's looking for you, right? And I'm sure some of you have heard that already, right? So you're looking for people that's looking for you. And that's a big, big plus in attraction marketing, right? So on that note, if you've gotten value from this, feel free to like it, feel free to share it. And if you know somebody who could benefit from this, share it with them. If you're watching this on Facebook, like I said, comment, like, share it. I would love to hear what you guys have to say about this. If you've gotten value, again, type in value in the comment section for my YouTube viewers. If you've gotten value from this, hit up the thumbs up button, and also subscribe to my channel. And share it if you also know if anybody could benefit from this, and leave a comment. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. All right, and like I said, tune into the next video where I go over step 2, which is defining your audience. All right, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.